Transportation infrastructure is the backbone of modern life, connecting communities and empowering economies. Yet owners and operators face a major challenge: how to manage and maintain these critical assets while minimizing shutdowns, disturbance, risk, and cost. It demands precise, effective management. Introducing GIV Transportation Solutions, smart modular management systems that transform how you manage your roads and infrastructure. GIV-RMS manages all operations and maintenance processes, asset lifecycle, optimizing workflows and budgets, reducing interference, and delivering real-time insights for seamless operations. Proactive and effective, GIV-RMS keeps safety and availability at its peak with smart, predictive maintenance, so you stay ahead of issues before they happen. GIV-BMS is the expert solution for road structures, managing the entire life cycle and dedicated engineering inspections, fully adaptable to changing regulations and compliance requirements. GIV-Inspection-Tech integrates seamlessly with the GIV's vertical solutions and revolutionizes inspections with drones, AI, and digital twin. It reduces inspection denial of service by up to 90% and costs by 75%, minimizes risk, and delivers precise, reliable insights for efficient maintenance. Together, the GIV Transportation Suite offers a complete, end-to-end solution. Backed with 2 decades of award-winning practice, GIV Solutions empower you to invest every dollar in the right asset at the right time with the right strategy, maximizing your business impact. GIV Solutions, transforming you into the future.